Hi guys, this is Amanda with Crafts by Amanda, and today we're making some faux stained glass art. Isn't that pretty? So what we're going to need is a backless photo frame, some glitter glue, food coloring, and a paintbrush. First, remove the glass from its frame and protect your work surface because this will get messy. Working from the middle outward, place some glitter glue in the center and then add a few drops of food coloring to it. And then just use the paintbrush to spread it around. In this particular piece, we are making some galaxy art. You can do whatever design you want. So for a galaxy, you'd want to choose purples and blues, those types of hues. So just continue to swirl it outward. See how it gets messy there, going over the edge? So make sure you protected your surface. And just continue adding glitter glue and drops of food coloring. You can add more of the same color to darken the image. It's just totally whatever you want to do. For the galaxy, we added darker colors toward the outside to give it more dimension. You can just repeat wherever you want and blend it as needed. You can also use a cotton swab to scrape away any color that you don't want in place. And then when you're all done, you just want to let it dry completely. Once it's dry, carefully reassemble the frame. Place the painted side facing the back. And when you turn it over, you have this beautiful piece of art. It makes a great sun catcher too. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can find more on craftsbyamanda.com.